Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So today what we're doing is we're taking a look at the Zedu player once again, and I was asked a question about how to update sources. So the person that actually asked the question has a hard drive or an SSD connected to their Zedu player, so their setup's going to be slightly different to mine, but nevertheless it should be more or less along the same lines. So in order to add sources, you go into your file manager and you would connect any devices here. You'd then make sure that once connected to them, you're able to access the folders where you've got everything stored. So once you've clicked on them in your file manager, you can come back in and you can go to this section here and you can add whatever device it is. So whenever you click on anything in your device manager, it will show up here. So these are the folders that I actually went in and searched manually. It basically gives you the location. So in this occasion, obviously because it's using a shared drive on my network, that is the IP address, and then it's got the folders. So you've got all your folders selected. You would select each one of these. So as you can see, I've got kids movies, movies and TV shows. And then the only thing that you would do is you would come in and you'd basically hit the menu option. I'm using a different remote, a third-party remote. So in this occasion, it's basically the menu option, and you would do update and start scanning. Now it should actually do this every single time you start up the Zedu. So obviously for those who don't refresh theirs, I do turn mine off every night. So if you need to do it manually, you can come in and do this. But every time you turn it on, it should actually do this. I would recommend that after a while that you do actually just do a reboot just in case, get rid of cache and just clear out the system as well. It tends to run a bit better that way. But yeah, if you do need to actually search and just refresh everything, you can do that. Now, if you have refreshed it and whatever you're searching for hasn't popped up, then you need to come down to here into unmatched. Now for me, obviously there's nothing showing here because everything was able to locate correctly. But if it's not matching, then you need to go in there. One final thing when it comes to matching is, so this particular movie here is a Hindi movie, and basically every time it added it automatically, it would never find this movie. And what I actually did was I went in and I changed the naming to just the movie name. So rather than anything else, I literally just kept it as the movie name itself. So if your movie isn't showing up, then that's one thing to check, because even if it's sometimes got 2023 or anything else next to it, it'll actually throw off the actual search and it won't find the file properly. So yeah, that's how you go in and you update your playlists for your movies and TV series. Like I say, it should automatically do it, but if it's not, then you can go in and do it like that. If you do have any further questions on the Zedu player, just drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to either answer them in the comments or, like this, make a video for you. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.